Hello guys, I live in the Philippines already more than 6 months, and now I want to tell you how you can do the same. I think the Philippines has one of the friendliest immigration policy in the whole world. There are two types of countries according to immigration policy in the Philippines. First type of countries where visa is not required, and second one where visa is required. I will put link in the description, and you can find your country and find out do you need visa or not. For countries where visa is not required, people from the countries can stay in the Philippines for 3 years, and people who live in other countries where visa is required can stay in the Philippines for 2 years. When you just arrive to the Philippines, you have 30 days to stay for tourist purpose. It's not so complicated to extend your visa. First time you can extend it for additional 1 month. Then you need to get ACR card. It's a tourist card in the Philippines. And you can extend your visa for additional 2 months. And after it, you can extend for 6 months. Of course, you can extend for less months if you need. After you will reach your limit of staying in the Philippines 2 or 3 years, you have to make a visa run. It means that you have to leave country for one day and go to any country in the world, and then you can come back to the Philippines and have another 2 or 3 years. Cost of extension for every month will be slightly different. It depends of immigration bureau where you will extend your visa, because not every immigration bureau can extend your visa for 6 months, and not everywhere you can refuse from express line. Express line is just a service from immigration bureau, and you just pay for it, and that's all. First month will cost you about 3,000 pesos. It's $55 about. Then you can extend for additional 2 months, and it will cost you about 6,500 pesos. And after it, you can extend your visa for 6 months, and it will cost you about $150. Or 8,600 pesos. It depends from immigration bureau. It could be slightly different, about maybe 5–10%. So average will cost you about $35 per month. After 2 months in the Philippines, you have to make your ACR card, and you will do it just on your second extension. Just pay and fill the form, and that's all. For tourist visa, it's really easy to fill forms by yourself without any help. But if you need help, you can go to immigration agency. Mostly they are just next door of official immigration bureau. You will pay them about maybe $20. It depends from immigration agency. And they will help you to fill forms and make some work for you. And actually that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful for you.